It's just I've never effed up this bad. Bonjour! We are at Disneyland Paris Resort, and right now we are gonna take you from the Marne-le-Val-Chessy, I think I said that right, train station, to the 45-minute train ride over to Gare du Nord in actual Paris proper.
Where we'll be checking into the 25 Hours Hotel Terminus Nord and seeing if this is actually the perfect location for exploring Paris.
That's not right.
That's not right. Okay, let's go to the help desk. I don't want to butcher this. We messed up on the way in here and I ended up paying $100 and didn't use the ticket, so let's go to the help desk.
I'm just proud that you made a defeat. Sometimes we get stuck and we just go all the way. We're going to ask for help. There's nothing wrong with that.
It's so much easier navigating the train while you're in Paris in between. It's like this tiny little ticket, it was easy. But switching trains and everything, I don't know why, but this time it's like way more difficult for me. This is why it always helps to ask. These were $9. We got passes from this train station at Disneyland Paris over to Gare du Nord to our boutique hotel, and it was $9. The machine was trying to tell me like 160 euros, so always just ask. There's helpers all around, and a lot of them do speak English or can help you wherever you're from around the world, but $9 and it's about a 45-minute train ride, so let's go. We had to take the elevator because we have so much footage, but we're about to board the...
We took the elevator because of all the footage we have.
Oh, I meant baggage.
We do have lots of baggage.
You guys, if you've never traveled abroad, just know you're gonna lose your mind half the time because I'm so tired and like we've just been go. These aren't vacations, these are trips. Vacations are when you like go to the beach and you're relaxing and sipping a pina colada, and these are trips. We're on a trip.
Yeah, and all of these are hard drives with all the footage we just did. So all of this is just cool stuff.
Yeah, totally. But we're gonna take the RER towards Saint-Germain-en-Laye, and then we're gonna get off at Châtelet-le-Haut. Yeah.
Châtelet-le-Haut? Never been there.
What up, Vibe Tribe? This is not me complaining. I don't know if you guys like to know the behind the scenes of content creation, but I just looked at Nick and I'm like, I feel so wiped. We've only been here 4 days and I feel like I've lived 100 lives and I feel like we've been on the road for a month. And he pointed out to me, he's like, we shot 4 different types of videos. We had an emergency. We haven't really eaten anything. And we shot over 40 reels. I just want to get to our boutique hotel, drop our stuff off, find the best French bakery and eat my face off. I'm so hungry for non-theme park food. Like I need like a meal, maybe some soup, and just get it together.
A little funny side story, the train station we're going to, Ashley and I have been there before. We used it to get from Paris to Amsterdam last time.
And Nick is carrying my bag because it is 40,000 pounds and I can't do it.
Ashley was such a legend, she wore her Mickey sorcerer's hat to the train station.
Because I don't want to carry it, but we just wanted to say, au revoir, Petty.
No weird looks were given, but I'm just proud of her.
I was not about to smush my Disneyland Paris 30th anniversary light up Mickey sorcerer hat in my bag. There was no way. I was wearing it in public and that was it. There was no ifs, ands, or buts, and it's still in perfect condition. That was a 40-minute, 15-stop train ride, and now we were at Paris Gare du Nord, and our hotel is across the street.
French Nick is back.
He's back. I know where we are. Nothing more American than going on the cobblestone streets with all your luggage.
Especially when you have a Donald Duck suitcase
like a dork. For this trip, we chose to stay at 25 Hours Hotel Terminus Nord. This hotel is located directly across the street from Gare du Nord train station, which makes it hard for us to get lost. On top of this convenient location, we chose this place because the reviews said it was clean, the location's great, and the price was within our budget. And listen, I love a boutique European hotel. Ashley, Miss Cappuccino at 5 o'clock is coming back and she's ready. There's this artist Invader who does original pixelated mosaic artwork, and these were decorated all around the hotel to mark the room numbers. He's one of Nick's favorite artists, and this was a really cool perk of staying here. I got a pretty basic standard room that faces the train station, and I'm already loving the vibe in these hallways and the lobby, so let's check it out. Oh my gosh. There's so many colors, it just smacked me in the face. So the rooms are pretty spacious for being in Europe. So this is an Art Deco hotel. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really understand what that meant when I booked it. Everybody just said it's colorful, it's fun, and the service was good. So I was like, oui. Look at all these colors. I love it. There's maroons and greens and blues, and each one is uniquely decorated with colorful designs inspired by African and Asian cultures. It does look very Art Deco. These rooms have soundproof walls, blackout curtains, comfortable bedding, and our room overlooked the train station, which was a lot of fun.
We also have a great city view. It looks right at the train station. What is it called? Nord?
Gare du Nord.
Gare du Nord. That's what I just said. Oh. It opens like that. But check this out. Come out here and look.
Wow. Oh, and it's like, oh. Bonjour. Bonjour. Good day. How is your family?
Good morning, Belle.
Good morning, monsieur. I need 6 eggs. Can you guys tell we're delirious right now?
I need a sandwich.
Oh, wait, hold on. Let's do it.
No, do the hair.
In these rooms, you'll find a coat rack with some storage, a television,
Voila.
TV.
a desk, free minibar,
Open bar, dude!
rainfall shower heads, and complimentary toiletries.
And there are 2 complimentary IPAs and 2 bougie waters for us. Wee. I'm sorry. I will stop saying wee eventually, but today's not that day.
I also love that they have the accoutrements, like a bottle opener in there. Sometimes you get free things and then they don't have the device to open it, so love that. And then also a nice safe.
And then you have a rotisserie phone.
Not a rotisserie, rotary.
You have a what?
There's rotisserie chickens, and that's a rotary phone. Exactly.
Oh, do you like actually?
I'm tired.
You have a
Rotary.
rotary phone, not rotisserie chicken.
These are going to be all the light switches for the room. You can navigate all of that right here. And then also USB ports, which are super important.
Personally, Nick and I cannot schlep all the way out here and just go to Disneyland. We had to come back to our favorite city in the world, and we'll just be here for 2 days. But the reason I booked this location is because, boop, you bop on over to the train station and then you go right over to Charles de Gaulle. It's very centrally located, and everybody in the reviews said that the location's great. So I'm excited to get my jacket on and go find a baguette, champagne. Ashley, Miss Cappuccino at 5 o'clock is coming back and she's ready. But this is a great location. It might be a bit loud, but we'll see. We were so hungry. We roamed the area and found this cute cafe
Are you happy to be back in France?
where we both pounded a steak and a cappuccino.
Got a little ketchup on you, baby.
I needed protein so bad. All I've had is bread.
Once we got back to the hotel, it hit us that we were exhausted.
If I sit for a minute, I won't leave the room.
So we went to bed to have some energy for the next day. We woke up hungry and there was this amazing bakery next door to the hotel called Carton. We got salmon quiches for breakfast and they were delicious. One of the places we wanted to visit, the Sacré-Cœur Steps, was less than a mile from the hotel and a super easy walk. It's one of the easiest locations to get to from our hotel, and it's said to have amazing views, and it's in part of Paris that we have yet to explore, Montmartre. I wasn't anticipating this much exercise, but I guess it's called the steps.
Not just a clever name.
Ooh, I'm out of shape. One of our favorite things about visiting new cities around the world, specifically Europe, is going to all the touristy places, and we're here at the Sacré-Cœur Steps, and it's basically a monument with just the most beautiful view of Paris. We didn't get to visit this last time, and it has such good vibes, and obviously it's popular because there's so many people here, but the sightseeing is awesome. It's not smoggy today, the sun is out, it's a beautiful day in Paris.
This is the first time I've ever seen you not wear a jacket
I
here.
know, I can't believe I'm always cold and I'm not. And I still have my little frozen trinkets on in France.
This is such a beautiful area, and it's one of the things that we love the most. It's free. You can come here and hang out and just kind of soak up the vibe and just take in all of Paris. You can buy locks up here if you want to seal your love forever. They have a tram tour over here, which is pretty reminiscent of Universal Studios Hollywood. Have to throw a theme park reference out there because of the cobblestone and then the tram of it all, but I don't know what the church is over here. Do you know what it's called?
I think it's the Sacré-Cœur Monument, I think, because we're in the Sacré-Cœur area. So I think that's like the church that there's a line of people to go in. I don't know if that part's free, but this whole area is old and really popular and beautiful.
I mean, look at her. She's old.
And obviously it's a beautiful day here today. We're gonna soak up all of Paris, and this is just one of the things that you have to visit on your next trip here.
Just look at this view. I think this is something that we don't really do back home. We don't like go to the top of any building and just look at Los Angeles, and I feel like we need to do that. This is so pretty, and it's just like, even though there's thousands of people here, it still feels so private and special, you know? So I wrote down my notes, but you guys know I have no memory, so I'm just gonna read this over to you on why the Sacré-Cœur is so famous. Its iconic white domes crowning Montmartre, stunning Romano-Byzantine architecture, breathtaking city views, and its significant history as a national symbol of penance and hope after French turmoil. It features huge mosaics and France's largest bell and continuous prayer services. So it's a place of prayer and, you know, where people found hope after a really bad time in France.
Good call.
And it has the largest bell in France, which I would have thought went to Notre Dame because of the Quasimodo of it all, but it's here.
You're so cultured.
We were so bundled up at Disneyland Paris and it was raining, and I just love that it's such a beautiful day. Like, I'm actually really warm and we haven't had a super sunny day here yet. This is just, it's perfect. Wee-wee.
Now we're taking these cool stairs down. Steamboat Willie.
Oh my gosh, we found Mickey, Steamboat Willie.
That's the original one?
Yeah, And there's, I think Alfred Hitchcock is next to him, and then the Tin Man and Mary Poppins.
Oh, good eye.
Yeah. Right now, we're literally just walking aimlessly, trying to find a cafe that we can get a little cocktail and some water. This is my favorite thing about coming to France. This is what we did for 2 days on our last trip. We just walked around, found art, cool places, and ate a lot. Let's do it again.
Found a little cafe. It's a beautiful day. Got a couple drinks our way. Saint Germain Spritz and a blonde beer.
I was like, can I have a Saint Germain Spritz? She's like, Saint Germain Spritz. And I'm like,
I am so American.
we need to brush up on our French because we plan on coming here a lot more. It's our favorite place.
Yeah, we gotta get measured.
We just wrapped up at La Marmite and it was awesome. I had Saint Germain Spritz and Nick had a beer and it was nice to just people watch in the sun.
We got the unicycle juggler.
It was great service and it was 22 euros, super easy, but we're 8 minutes away from the Moulin Rouge and I know you're supposed to see it light up at night, but if you're only 8 minutes away, you gotta go stop by and see it and take some photos, so we're gonna walk on over there.
It's a beautiful day and I love that all of the Parisians just stop what they're doing to grab an Aperol Spritz at this time. Everyone's just hanging out in the sun right now and it's like basically something you have to do while you're here. Do what the locals do. And if they're all stopping at 11 o'clock for a beer or Aperol Spritz, I think I'm gonna have one of those too.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
We're in the Montmartre district and we wanted to come check out the Moulin Rouge. It actually opened its doors to the public in 1889, which makes it over 137 years old. That is insane. We're not gonna go see a show because we didn't pre-plan tickets, but we just wanted to take some photos in front of it like tourists, but I think you should drop it. How cool is that? It's like a literal landmark of France. Like they're never gonna tear it down. You need to come see it. Don't just watch the movie with Nicole Kidman and Ewan McGregor. You need to actually come see it.
I am so excited to be here. This is something that we missed on our last trip to Paris. And it's almost a rite of passage just to come check it out. Again, it's the longest running show here in Paris. It might be one of the longest running shows period in the world. And the fact that they keep it up and they built this entire town essentially around this in 137 years is just kind of crazy and mind-blowing to me. If you're not familiar with what the show is, it's a burlesque style show, so you're not actually allowed to film in there or take photos at all. They keep all of the magic behind that door, so use your imagination on what's back there, but I'm such a silly American. The first time I heard about this was through the Moulin Rouge movie and song. You know the one I'm talking about, Missy Elliott, Christina Aguilera, Pink, and there's one other person there. And Maya. Sorry, Maya. Damn. I got to brush up on my Moulin Rouge. But yeah, all of that takes place right back here.
For any parents that are watching this, if you do come to France with your kids, just know that the Moulin Rouge is in the sexy district. So you're gonna see a lot of adult things in the windows that you won't be able to hide from your children. So maybe leave them at the hotel with grandma and then come explore it, just you and your man. Bring on the Flugelheim. There's a lot of things out in the windows.
But if you are taking your kids to take a photo of you at the Moulin Rouge, you're probably pretty awesome.
Yeah, I mean, why not? My mom took me through the red light district when I was 11 years old. She covered my eyes, but I knew what was up, so shout out Roxanne.
Check out Ashley, she's cool.
And that turned out cool, right? My favorite thing about being in this area is like everybody's FaceTiming their friends that they're making TikToks and they're like, this one, they're like going like this and it's so funny. This cute little couple just did a little twirly dance in the street. I love it so much because that's like what you do. You come make embarrassing videos. Hey Joe,
But give it a go. In front of the Moulin Rouge, we have to leave our mark even though we're not seeing the show. If you come here, look out for this.
It's gonna take me 800 days to unpeel this with my nails. Start the Jeopardy music. Have you ever? Oh, you have worn press-on nails.
Yeah,
I was like, have you ever worn press-on nails? You try to do that.
Girl, I filmed the whole vlog with it in 360.
Okay, girl, whatever.
Even though we're not seeing the show, we have to leave our mark here at the Moulin Rouge. If you're watching this video and planning on coming to Paris, you're probably gonna come here. So look out for this mouse vibe sticker. We're gonna place it on this light pole. Perfect.
Okay, I got us a bit lost. AT&T service isn't the best, and it led me in the wrong direction on Apple Maps, which is fine. So we're regrouping. We're gonna get a metro ticket, and we're gonna make a game time decision to see what we should do next. I'm kind of hungry, and I want to get a really good sandwich.
I don't mind getting lost on a trip like this, especially in a city like Paris. This is usually where you find the best things that you weren't expecting, so.
That's my baby. She's iconic.
Okay, I don't know. Part of travel is getting lost, and we've gotten a lot We've gotten lost a lot more this trip than last trip. I don't know why.
It's because we're going further.
Yeah, we're going further, but I just reloaded my train card, my Nova Pass, with 8 things instead of both of our passes. We had to get another one. Spend an extra 40 bucks, it is what it is. But we're hopefully not gonna get lost on the way to the Eiffel Tower. I've yet to see the Eiffel Tower up close, and it's my favorite thing, so we're gonna go check it out. And hopefully not get lost. The Eiffel Tower is a sight to see from any place in Paris, and I'm so glad that we trekked over here to see her in all of her glory. As we end this wonderful day in Paris, I think what we learned is don't get frustrated. Have an open mind. It's okay to get lost 1, 2, 7 times.
This doesn't look right. It's okay.
Because without us getting lost, we wouldn't have found this cafe and eaten the best salad we have ever had in our entire life. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for our next video where we get tattoos and we go to tons of iconic sites in Paris only using the metro. And we don't get lost nearly as much. We just want to explore more of France. It's the best.